Yes, the ones that say complementary and supplementary angles. Okay. Kind of looks like that. Complementary and supplementary angles. So the next two lessons are just going to learn about like different kinds of angles that we can have. But these ones, complementary and supplementary, they'll be around all year. They're very similar and very easy. The two complementary angles are angles that add to 90 degrees. Their sum is 90 degrees. Do you know what non-adjacent means?
No.
Non-adjacent means they're not together, they're separate. I think I spelled that wrong though. Oh Lord. Separate. Am I right?
I just put separate.
Separate. Did I spell it right though?
S-E-P. I think it's S-E-P-R-E-T. I don't know.
I think we're good. I think we're okay. Okay. They're separate. So we could draw an angle like this. And then we can draw like a smaller one. I'll call this one angle A and this one angle B. So give me a number between 0 and 90. 30. So let's make the smaller one 30 degrees. And what would this bigger angle have to be?
70. No, 60.
Yep, because 30 plus 60 equals 90. So if non-adjacent meant they were separate, adjacent means they are together. They're like joined. They are connected. So we could draw something like this for this picture. We know there has to be a right angle, so I put my little box there. So let's pick two other numbers, or what's a number between 0 and 90? 6? 70? All right, so if this is 70 degrees, what would our other angle have to be? We have to add in 90. Yeah. 20. 70 and 20 get us to 90. Okay. Find the value of x and each angle. So what do these two angles have to add to? I have that little box down there. 90, right? So we can write 4x plus x equal to 90. So how many total x's will we have? 5. 5x equals 90. Then we divide out. That one? Okay. Amazing.
$18.
18, so x equals 18. So we found the value of x, now we got to plug back in for each angle. So if we take 4 times 18, what do we get? 72 for this guy, and this one is just 18. Now, we can always check to make sure we did it right. 72 plus 18 does indeed give us 90. Okay, so complementary angles add to 90. What do you think supplementary angles add to? Any guess?
180.
Hey, that girl. Perfect. 180 degrees. So now we can draw two different examples. So remember the non-adjacent ones were the separate ones. So I'll draw an angle, an obtuse angle. And then I'll draw like an acute one. So what's a measure that's bigger than 90 for that big one?
110.
110? That's good. I like that. So if that one's 110, this one would have to be perfect. And again, just to show it, 110 plus 70 equals 180. And then adjacent, they kind of make like a straight line, so it's 180 degrees. And then you can just throw in an array whatever way you want. And then we'd have our two angles like that. What do you want our obtuse angle to be on this one?
120.
120, which makes our smaller one have to be.
60.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, our last one. Angle P and angle Q are supplementary. Measured angle P is 8 times the measured angle Q. Find each angle. I think we should draw a picture because I think pictures are worth 1,000 words. So I'm going to draw, here's my angle P. Here's my angle Q. It says they're supplementary, so what do they have to add to?
180.
Yes. Okay, so I know they add to 180. And then they tell us the measure of angle P is 8 times the measure of angle Q. Well, do we know what the measure of angle Q is? So what do we call it in math if we don't know what something does? Yes. So I can put an X in here. And then how do I show 8 times that amount? Yeah, so this would be 8x.
So 8x plus x equals 180.
Bingo. We add our like terms, we have 9x. And if we divide by 9,
20.
20?
Yes.
Woo-hoo. So x equals 20, then we can plug back in to find our angle measures. So Q is easy, Q is just 20 degrees. But what would angle P be?
160.
Yep, 8 times 20.
Just like the one we did as an example.
Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah, it is. Good job. Okay, that's it. We're not gonna do we can cross out the bottom two things. Those are just kind of confusing. We don't need to do those. But that is it for notes.